How to redeem Roblox gift card on mobile. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem a Roblox gift card on your mobile device. So if you've got a card and you're ready to add credit to your account, follow along step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Now, here's the important part. You won't find a redeem option inside the app itself. Instead, you'll need to use your browser. That could be Google Chrome, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. In the browser, type roblox.com/redeem and hit enter. Once you're there, log into your Roblox account if you aren't already. Now you'll see the redeem page. Take your gift card, look at the back, and scratch off the section to reveal your PIN code. Enter that code into the box, then tap redeem. That's it. Your Robux or credit will be added right away, and you'll see your updated balance at the top. If you go back into the Roblox app, just refresh or reopen it, and your balance will show up there too. And that's how you redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.